and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana, and I'm coming to you with a haul. So I did go to Walmart and I got some things, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna pick some random things. I'm gonna go ahead with the first bag. So in the first bag, I saw these really cute baby shark baby shark shoes. So I got these for my little guy. They're in a size 5'6". I hope he can fit them. I thought they were so cute. Look at this, just little baby shoes. So I did pick that out, and I'm just randomly picking things. I got these Aftershock popping candies in the green apple and strawberry, and they look like this. I thought the kids would like that, just something for them to eat. The next thing I got is this Parents' Choice cushioning potty seat. So this is just something to put on the actual toilet in your bathroom when you're potty trained or anything like that. You can also get like a regular little baby pot. But I picked this out because I wanted him to start getting used to getting on the big pot like we do. So I did go ahead and get this. This was about $8.88, so not bad for that. The next thing I got, which I'm kind of upset about, but I got anyway because I really do need them. I got this container of Lysol wipes. Now, I do not like Lysol brand. I actually like the Clorox brand, but they did not have any more of those, and I really needed these wipes because these are essential in my everyday cleaning. So I did go ahead and pick this up, and it was about $10 for these. I hope they work better than they did last time, but yeah. So the next thing I picked up is a thing of Fabuloso. This is the long-lasting freshness. It's 40% more. This is the tropical spring kind. I really like this in my mop water as well as just using this to clean. It is so fruity. I love the smell of orange. Like, oh, it is so good. Like, I really like that. So I had to pick that up. The next thing I got are these Downy Fresh Protect Odor Defense. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all, Glam Twins 334 hooked the girl up. When I seen them haul this in one of their videos, I was hooked. I went to Walmart so fast and purchased this, and I have been repurchasing this ever since. This is so bomb, y'all. Like, if y'all want to get in a bed with super soft sheets that smell so linen fresh, y'all need to go pick this up. Now, it is a little pricey in my opinion. This is about $10, but I think this one was $8.94, basically $10, y'all. But I really like this, and I do recommend this. The next thing I got are some pants for my daughter, because she just needed some pants, and the pants she had, they were too big for her. So I saw these Jordan super skinny jeans. They're in a size 7, and I just picked her up some of these. They're super skinny. I hope she can fit them because my daughter is really petite, and she's really tall, you know. So I hope she's not that tall, but she's super petite. So I did pick these out for her, and these were only $12, so that's not bad for the Walmart. So I got that kind, and then I got her a darker color in jean, and I got these right here, and I really like the wash of these. I really hope she can fit them. She's over there looking at them, so I hope she can fit them. And again, these were super inexpensive. They were $11.94. If you're just needing some pieces to an outfit, to finish up an outfit, Walmart is like the place to go. So I got my little guy some shirts. I got him a couple of shirts. I got a plain shirt. Everything is in a size 2. I thought this would be super springy, so I did pick that out for him. Then I got this red, blue, and white shirt. Y'all know July is coming up, 4th of July. Y'all need to get ready for that. And then I got this gray and yellow and white shirt. I thought this would be so cute on him, so I picked that out. And to just keep going with my little guy, I did pick him up some tennis shoes as well. They were $10, $9.97, and they're just like this. He can wear these with some blue jeans. They have the white and the blue strip at the bottom. It has the Velcro strap on the side of it. So I thought that was so cute. So I did go ahead and pick that out for him. And then I just got me a couple of pair of thongs. I got these hipsters in a 2X. And these are the Nobo. And I really like these because sometimes if you wear a particular thing but you don't want your panty line to show, or you don't want to have a panty line but you don't wear thongs, this is the perfect pair of underwear because it really is no panty line, and I really like that. So this is the first pair. The second pair, I just got a black thong, and this is in a 2X as well. Like, look, when it gets hot and y'all don't want y'all butt sweating, a thong is a thing to do. Or y'all can just go naked, but whatever. So I picked these out right here. That's one bag already down. Actually, 2 bags down. We're on the 3rd bag. So I did get some bows for my daughter. I got her these Jojo bows. These are from Nickelodeon. Everybody knows who Jojo is. I got her this purple one. This mug was $6.97. Jojo, look. Girl, that's all I'm going to say. $7 for a bow. Then I got 2 of them. That was $14. She better not lose these bows. But I got her this one as well. She's been talking about Jojo so much. So I'm like, I need to get these bows. So I got them. I also got her some sandals. I got this pair of sandals. They had a lot of sandals. They were $10 for these sandals. They're just some black sandals. I thought these were really, really cute for her to wear to school. You know, it's about to get hot. We can play dress up and polish her toes. So then I got her these brown ones right here in a size 12. Now she wears a size 12. But these I got a size 13 because they did look a little small and she can fit them. So I'm happy about that. I really like this because I think it's a neutral color and it pretty much goes with everything. So I did pick these out for her and she can fit those as well. I got this Snuggles. I love these in my clothes. Like, they make your clothes smell so good. So I did pick this out. Let me see what else I got. I have one more bag here. I got some wipes for the baby. This is the Parents' Choice fragrance-free wipes. So I did pick these out. And then I got this container of Shout It Out right here. So I can refill the thing that we had in the laundry room. The last thing I got from her, I don't know why I'm tired, y'all. I'm just sitting here. I'm so tired. This light be hot, though. But I got these Parents' Choice diapers right here. I got a size 4. And they just look like this. I also got a bag of little Twizzlers. That's what I'm eating on. I love the cherry flavor more than strawberry. Who team cherry and who's team strawberry? Let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, so I might as well just add on these few little Aldi pieces that I got. Because I went to Aldi's as well. My kids are having a family night, so I'm making baked macaroni for both the classes. So I just got macaroni shells. And I got 4 boxes of those. And then I saw this and I thought, why not try to get it? I'm always trying to get a good lip product for my lips. I do not like crusty lips. So I picked out this Liqueur Soft Shine Be Kissed Lip Balm. Fruity flavors. Experience. And it looks like this. I have a cherry in there. I have a summer fruits and a blueberry. I'm just going to go ahead and open it in front of you all. But I hope they're about something, you know. So let me see. Oh, they actually got like a color to it. That's really nice. Let me see if it looks like something. No, it doesn't show up as anything. Just plain chapstick. So I have that one, and that's a cherry. Then this one is a blueberry, but it smells really good. It's actually just clear. Yeah. She was smelling it. Then this last one is a summer fruit. Oh, they smell so good. Look, y'all, I tried to use my finger. Let me do it right. It smells so good. Okay, so those are all the things that I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I was going to record when I was there, but I was just trying to get in and get out, y'all, because it's super, super late. But yeah, that's everything. So I guess I'll just see you all next time. Peace.